So we talked about some of the things going on in the industry. Is this for existing customers and prospective customers? Can anybody take advantage of this?
I'll jump in on that one because I may not know a lot about security, but I have learned a whole lot about legal in the, in the last couple of months. Uh, and,
Lucky
and,
you.
and and by the way, that's actually one of the really key points that we try to make to people about this guarantee is that if you read through the guarantee, well, it certainly did go through legal for all the reasons that you know it has to. We deliberately tried to make sure that this was not couched in such legalese that you would read it and say, "There's literally no way I could ever collect on this. This is just a marketing stunt." We tried to keep the language fairly clear. We tried to keep sort of the way it works fairly straightforward. And so, for example, to Lisa's question, can existing customers take advantage of this? Absolutely. Right. So whether you've been a Druva customer for the past 10 years, or you've been a Druva customer for 2 weeks, or you're a prospective customer, this is available to you, assuming now, and this is the part where we're going to be real clear, assuming, of course, you meet the bar that we need you to meet. And that includes things like you're going to have to go through a security review because if we're going to make guarantee that your data is going to be there when you need it, and we need to make sure that you're doing the right things in terms of your best practices. And I know Yogesh can go through a lot of those better than I can, but things like MFA needs to be set up. Those sorts of things need to happen. We need to make sure that you're using sort of all the right technology underneath, things like our new data lock feature that prevents backups from being deleted. So assuming you're willing to go through those, and frankly, part of the goal of this was to make sure people would go through those so they would follow the best practices, then you're going to get a very straightforward guarantee, no matter what side of the customer base you're on.